Hi, I need to call the pharmacist and get a refill, so can you call them, please?
Hello, thank you for calling Walgreens. How may I help you?
Hi, I wanted to order some new
Okay,
medication.
may I have your birth date, please?
My birthday is January 15th, 1988.
And what is your full name?
My name is Maria Jones Smith.
And what medication is it? Do you have a prescription number?
Yeah, the RX number, the prescription number is for my high cholesterol, so are you ready for it? Okay, it is called Lipitor, and the number is 874399.
And when do you take that?
I take it every morning, and the first thing I do when I get up is that I go in the kitchen and I eat my breakfast, and then I take a pill.
All right. And it seems that you don't have any refills left.
Oh my gosh, I keep forgetting about that. What do I do? What should I do?
I can give a call to your doctor and hopefully they'll approve a refill today.
Today is Friday. I think they close at 5. I think it's too late to call them. Pretty sure they're closed by now.
I can give you a 3-day supply to get you through the weekend. Do you have any medication allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies that make me have a
Okay, I
headache.
can have that ready for you in about 45 minutes.
Oh, sorry, I have
Oh, okay.
one more prescription left to get a refill on.
And what was the second prescription you needed?
AMLODIPINE. It's for blood pressure. I have 3 left, but I need to get a new refill because I need one.
Okay, I see that here. Do you know what strength that is?
It says 2.5. Yeah, 2.5 milligrams.
Okay, I can refill that for you. Will you be picking these up?
No, I would prefer them be delivered.
Okay, we can deliver those for you later this afternoon. What's your address?
My address, it is 819 South Hamilton Road. It's in Columbus.
And what's your zip code there?
It is 43225.
Okay, we can bring that out to you in about 2 hours.
Oh, and don't forget that I'm deaf, so when you bring the medicine, it'll flash lights, so just don't forget about that.
Okay, I'll make a note of that. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a
You
nice
too.
day.
Thanks.